Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about how we can convert our for loop into while loop, and also without converting it to while loop, how can we embed the functionality of while loop into for loop. So firstly, let's talk about how can we convert our existing for loop into while loop. So one way is the longest way. You have to create while loop and then uh, drag all the data inside. But the easiest way is right click on the border of for loop and click on replace with while loop. Now your loop will be automatically converted into while loop. So this is how we convert our for loop into while loop. The second part is how can we embed the while loop functionality into the for loop. While loop functionality is that the conditional terminal. How can we embed conditional terminal in for loop? Again, right click on the for loop and enable conditional terminal. Now, as you can see, the conditional terminal, similar to what we have seen in while loop, will appear on over here inside the for loop. So whichever the stop condition arise first, that is either 10 iterations or uh, this condition, right? Whatever the condition that you pass through, either it runs 10 times or whenever we press the stop button. So that many times this for loop will execute. So here we have combined the functionality of for loop and while loop within a for loop.